Sandstorm is on finally. The sky started to get grey. What you're looking at right now is the sand flying in the air.
Yep.
Oh.
See the mountain?
How long will it take to reach here? It'll take another few more minutes, I presume.
You're taking out recording.
Finding it hard to breathe. The storm is coming on now. Oh, here comes, it's turning cold, real cold, so that means we are going to have some rain. Probably there'll be some lightning and thunder and then the rain. You did have this once before.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Hello? Yeah, it's coming back. It's picking up momentum. You can just about make out the hill in the background. It's covered in the sandstorm. The birds are going crazy, trying to keep up with the storm. Oopsie, here comes the storm. Here she comes. Oh, look at the dust, man. Look at it coming. Oof. Ooh, look at the dust coming in. Here she comes.
Oh, cool, yeah.
Oh, the dust. Oh, shucks.